Good afternoon from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're going to be riding the Moonshine Mountain Coaster. This is part of our best coaster in the Smokies. We got a car. Hold on. We got a car. Nope. They're not turning here. Hold on.
They had the turn signal.
They did. This is part of the best coaster in the Smokies series. So we're going to do, I think, a good 12 coasters and figure out what is the best of the Smokies. This is our fifth one. So we have done 4 before this. Those are down in the pinned comment, but we'll bring you up here, show you the height and weight requirements of Moonshine Mountain Coaster, bring you on the ride, and then we'll talk about it after, figure out where does this rank among other coasters here in the Smokies.
Sounds good. We've never been on this one, so I'm excited. I can already tell they have some fun theming, so I'm excited to see what this one's like.
So let's hop up top and show you what this one's like. So if you come to the Moonshine Mountain Coaster, you can park for free. We're gonna head up these stairs to get to the loading area. We've got a lot of black bears along the bottom section of the track. As we're working up the stairs. This guy's having some honey. This guy's upside down. Hopefully the coaster doesn't make me feel upside down when I'm done. Lots of different bears. I will point out they do have some handicap parking up here if you can't do stairs. So here's a look at the ride operation instructions. Main thing I want to point out, if you're coming to ride this, here's a look at how tall you have to be. And it says that you can't exceed 375 pounds. And here is a look at where you can get tickets. Here's a breakdown on their ticket costs. First time riding the Moonshine Mountain Coaster here in Gatlinburg.
Y'all done this before?
No.
All right, let's go over real quick. First of all, you gotta ride together. You're
No.
gonna ride together. Weight limit's 375. Get on the scale. Green light. Ride together.
Okay.
Now, if you ride by yourself, no problem. You don't have to get on scale. These handles are your brakes.
Okay.
Forward to go. Back to brake. No stopping. We'll show you how the brake works right up here. Once we launch you, the first 3 minutes, hands-free, we bring you up, sit back, relax. When you get to the top, you can see our guard shack. It's a little building right in front of you. We set building, grab the handle, all the way forward, and hold it down. It's gonna go slow in the beginning. Once it picks up speed, if it gets too fast, get a little scared. What do? What do you do?
Let go.
No,
Back.
keep it forward. And go, ah! No, pull back, slow down, but no stopping, okay? Keys, phones, don't drop anything. Remember, you got old saying, you can yell, you can scream, say, wee! Don't you wee on the seat. We got drain holes. It ain't raining. Yeah, we know that ain't water coming down. All right. Any questions? When you get to the part where you go upside down, what do you do?
Whee!
You freak out. There's no upside down on this ride. All right, you're gonna scan your ticket. What's turns green? Come on.
So we're dealing with 30 miles per hour top speed.
You can get up to 30 miles per hour.
Okay, total ride duration if you...
If you keep it down the whole time, it's between 4.5 to 5 minutes. Okay?
Perfect.
But it's 3 minutes going up. A lot of fun at nighttime. Totally different ride at nighttime.
Okay.
Favorite time at nighttime. All right?
Okay.
All right, when you get in, you're gonna turn around like you're sitting down. There you go. You've done this once or twice. There you go. And your seatbelt to your left shoulder, pull all the way out. You can click it in right there.
I'll see you back here, Brie.
Okay, bye.
Push the seatbelt. Check seatbelts. I didn't need that wheel anyway. I'm joking. It messes with them all the time.
Yeah.
If I don't launch you just right, it slides off of that thing.
Sure.
All right, double check seatbelt. Good. Thumbs up saying you're good. All right, we'll set building, then you push it. Have fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're taking off on the Moonshine Mountain Coaster here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I've driven by this many, many times. This is the first time actually riding it. I got some facts about it. It says on their website, welcome to the Moonshine Mountain Coaster, formerly known as the Gatlinburg Mountain Coaster, established in 2014, which was the first coaster in Gatlinburg. Goes on to say that it looks like it has a total length of the track is 3,000 feet, and the difference of altitude from the bottom to the top, which is where we are headed to, is about 200 and here we go, 50 feet of change. The ride itself is approximately 5 minutes long. including the automatic incline to the top, which is what we're on. Each driver is in control of their speed from the top to the bottom, and it says that we can get up to 30 miles per hour. So there's a little info on the Moonshine Mountain Coaster as we are now out of the sun and going through the trees here. Probably a really good chance to see a bear as you go up to the top here. I hear all sorts of things rustling around in the leaves. It's probably just a squirrel. All right, we got one more long section to head up to. This is nice. Weather's nice. So if it is during the summertime, you can at least get a break from the heat with all of the trees around. You're in the shade. And I just saw Brie go over the hill with the little shack. Looks like I can see her taking off. There she goes. All right, we're just about at the top. Again, we can get up to 30 miles per hour. So let's see how fast I feel comfortably going. A little bit of a slow start. We're picking up. Not a big drop off, real gradual at the start, but we are getting momentum. Here we go. Oh, this is a long straightaway. Okay, we are definitely got some speed now. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa. Oh. Here we go. I got their camera. Another straightaway. Oh! That might have been close to 30. Oh, looks like there's a tree coming down. A little bit of theming, little theming. I like that. Oh, here we go. We are really high. Oh. Oh, I thought we were about to come to the end. I guess we're a little bit more. Okay. Now we want to slow down. Oh. Okay. I like this one. This is awesome. Oh, that was a lot of fun.
Bring it in, buddy. How was it?
Oh, that was fantastic.
I mean, glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, yeah.
You're gonna pull back a little, push forward.
Yeah.
Pull back a little bit.
Okay.
All right, buddy. You're gonna
All right.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
You're gonna toss both legs to your right,
Got it.
and then you're gonna hop out on your right for me, buddy.
Hop out.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You can also
Hop.
hop your foot. No, 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 no.
What? He said I have to hop out.
Of all the years doing that, I always say hop out. I've never seen what you said. That was the first.
There you go.
All right.
I hopped
Let's
out.
go in and see the video plays.
All right. So we're watching our video, laughing. So it's really neat that they do a little video that you're able to purchase.
Yep.
Very nice.
Send your email.
In addition to video, they also have some photos that you can check out.
You got different backgrounds, so you can have different backgrounds. I can tell you how fast you're going.
Wait, who went faster?
All right, you're 28.5. Wait.
28.5.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
25.8.
Well, that's just for that section. I thought I.
Yeah, it is for the section.
Oh.
You can't slow down.
All right, now I know. We need a rematch because now I know where they're actually checking your speed. If you see this smile camera,
Keep the handle down.
make sure you're going full speed. She beat me by 3 miles per hour. Oh, I gotta have a rematch here. I'll definitely come back and ride this. This was a lot of fun.
Thanks again, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
You too.
So Brie, what'd you think of the Moonshine Mountain Coaster?
I really enjoyed going up through the mountains, through the trees, again on this coaster, just like yesterday's coaster. But I really enjoyed when it started out, there were like a few drops, and that was really fun. I thought it was a really, really fun coaster.
I like that it had a little bit of theming. There was actually like a tree as I'm going by. I could tell it was a theming thing. It wasn't that they're not taking care of the track. So it was a little thing, but I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And just overall, again, you can hit 30 miles per hour. It's pretty fast. Some people
go slower than
go
others.
25, some people go 28 when they take your photo. And I will say, I did like that a lot about this one, that they actually track your speed. And when you come to the end, you can kind of have a little competition. So hopefully after watching this video, you know when they're going to check the speed. So if you see the camera is coming thing, again, just rip it, let it go all the way full speed so you can have that higher better time. But I like this one a lot.
And I also like that the people who work here are super friendly. Not that anybody's been unkind at another coaster, but
Right.
here they just really go for customer service. They really take care of you. They want to make sure you have a great experience. Really enjoyed that.
Yeah, they were definitely very inviting. Pete, who you saw with the beard, just has a great personality. He's making sure you have a good time. He's kind of throwing out some jokes, and I really thought it was just an overall fantastic coaster experience. I think we need to rank this thing.
I think we do.
All right.
Hold on 1 second. Let me think for
You're
a second.
thinking? All right. We'll let her think.
Okay. I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, 1.
2.
So Brie is at this moment thinking the Hellbender Mountain Coaster at Anakeesta is a little bit higher, whereas I think this one is the #1 slot. And the reason why I think you should come to my side and make this the #1 at the moment is it's the first mountain coaster in Gatlinburg.
Okay.
So it's a classic.
Okay.
#2, free parking. It's a little more accessible than the Anakeesta one. I think more people, as they're coming in and out of Gatlinburg, can park down here
Okay.
and enjoy this one. So the accessibility is a little greater.
Okay.
I like Anakeesta going up to it, but there's not an additional cost to go to it. So that's a big pro.
That is a pro.
And a little bit more theming, in my opinion, here than Hellbender.
All right. You've convinced me. I'll come over to your side.
And like Brie said, the staff are fantastic. Pete was super nice. They did say, make sure you come back and ride it at night because,
I forgot to hold up the...
oh, there you go. She's
Trophy.
holding up the trophy.
which I usually hold up during this part of the video.
There you go. So we'll have to come back and do a night ride. He said that there's all sorts of light. Oh, thankfully there's a cloud. I think
Yes.
we only got like 20 seconds of cloud, but we'll take it. And again, seasonally, they'll decorate. So he said that during the fall months, around October, they'll actually have special nights where there's scare actors out along on select nights. And so, yeah, we'll have to come back and do this at night.
At
In
night.
fact, we'll have to do a lot of these at night and do a night series, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. What's the best night ride in the Smokies?
Sounds
But
good.
if you found this video helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor. Simply like the video before you leave. Let us know in the comments. Have you been on the Moonshine Mountain Coaster in Gatlinburg? And what did you think of it? Or are you planning to go? But if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. We're gonna see you on this video up here, which is another coaster actually owned by the same company in Pigeon Forge. So you're gonna wanna check this coaster ride out here. And at the end, we're gonna figure out what's the best coaster in the Smokies. Best coaster in the Smokies. Man, this Moonshine place is wearing off on me. I'm talking like Billy, the character over here. Oh, he's going for a ride. There he goes. See you later, Pete. Bye.